welcome to the A&E Adventure Channel. On today's adventure, where are we going?
We're going to Knapp.
The Regional Recreational Adventure Park. I don't know.
It's a university research. It's a research forest.
Yes, from UBC. Apparently dogs aren't allowed. We tried to go there last time, but I was a little bit under the weather. I didn't feel like arguing with the guys, so...
And Coda's not here today because he cut his paw last night, so he's got to let that heal.
Yeah.
Poor guy.
So now we're on our way over there at the moment, and check it out, see how good it is. Apparently there's snowshoeing down in the end.
Oh, we didn't bring our snowshoes.
Oh, crap. Okay, well I guess we're just gonna go for a hike then. See you then. Well, here we are, and this is the beginning of the trail. This is E, and I'm A.
A&E Adventure Channel.
A&E Adventure Channel. Alright, so once we get something better going on, we'll give you some more videos and shots. So on this adventure, we just found a troll bridge. Oh. So I think the trolls had must have been a gold cart.
Oh,
Yeah. So, yeah, so they probably built the bridge to get their gold across. Or is that leprechauns?
Oh, leprechauns are gold? Maybe the trolls stole it from the leprechauns.
Yeah, the trolls stole the gold from the leprechauns and they built the little bridge to get across. So, sitting on the troll bridge, don't see any trolls.
We're safe for now.
This is actually pretty cool. It's lightning struck one of the trees. I don't know if you can see, but way at the top it's all black, all the way split right down. So, see if I can get a closer look.
And that's just how big it is. And all the way down to little old Angelo.
Yeah.
Here's the house.
No, I think it's just I don't know what it's for.
Oh, it's a memorial for her, but...
Holy smokes. Hopefully you guys can see it. Sun's a little bright. That's the peak.